What happens when the World Cup meets laser precision? Laser cutting allows us to precisely shape each football panel. We build a football entirely from scratch, beginning with precise spot welding, combining advanced robotic welding systems with skilled manual welding techniques to ensure strength, durability, and flawless structural integrity.
Our laser cleaning technology instantly makes every seam bright and flawless.
Next is the goal frame, where we use precise spot welding to construct the entire structure from the ground up, ensuring stability and strength, and once the net is carefully installed, the build is fully complete. We also provide high-precision laser marking on World Cup trophies, nameplates, and medals. With exquisite craftsmanship, every piece showcases the perfect fusion of the FIFA World Cup and laser technology. Ball player goal aligned ready. Launch. From cutting to welding, cleaning, marking powered by UMW lasers.